The 1-minute secret that could change everything after 50. Gentlemen, we need to have an honest conversation about something that affects every single man over 50. It's the topic nobody wants to bring up, but it's the thing that keeps you up at night. I'm talking about your vitality, your stamina, that deep inner confidence that comes from knowing your body will respond exactly when you need it to. Maybe you've noticed things have changed. The process takes longer now. The firmness isn't quite what it used to be. Perhaps you're dealing with frustrating urinary problems that interrupt your sleep multiple times every night. Or maybe that constant lower back pain has gotten worse, making simple activities feel like a burden. And if you're like most men, you've probably convinced yourself this is just what happens when you get older. You've accepted it as the price of aging. But what if everything you believe about this decline is wrong? What if your age isn't the real problem at all? What if the true culprit is a simple mechanical blockage in your core anatomy that you've been unknowingly ignoring for decades? I'm talking about a specific pressure point on your body, a powerful spot that when activated for just 60 seconds each day can fundamentally clear that blockage and reset your entire system. Imagine if there was a simple private practice you could do at home that could dramatically improve blood flow to your entire pelvic region, ensuring the tissue responsible for firmness gets the volume it desperately needs. A practice that could decompress the critical nerves governing sensation and response, bringing back that youthful sensitivity you thought was gone forever. A technique that could release deep chronic tension in your core muscles, relieving stiffness not just where it matters most, but also in your lower back and hips. I know this sounds too simple to be real. You're probably thinking this is just another strange health trend that won't actually work. But please, give me a few minutes to explain. This specific spot has been honored in traditional medicine for thousands of years as the center of male vitality. And today, modern science is finally catching up, providing solid anatomical evidence for why this technique works so powerfully. This isn't about taking another pill or relying on quick fixes. This is about taking control of your own physical destiny. It requires no expensive equipment, no embarrassing doctor visits, and just 1 minute of your daily time. The truth about what's really happening. Let's be completely honest. The story we're told is powerful and discouraging. Things slow down, things get weaker, and eventually you just learn to live with it. But accepting this decline is the biggest mistake you can make. It's the surrender that destroys your confidence long before your biology actually fails. Here's what I need you to understand. The decline you're experiencing almost never happens because you hit some magic age. It's a slow-motion crisis, a mechanical and circulatory chokehold that builds up gradually over years of modern living. Your problem isn't a sudden failure, it's a traffic jam at the most critical intersection in your entire body. When a man experiences serious decline in quality, consistency, or sensation, the root cause is always a combination of 3 mechanical issues. First, there's the vascular problem. Think of firmness as 90% blood flow. Years of poor diet, inflammation, high stress, and especially sitting for long periods cause the vessels to stiffen and become less flexible. When you're constantly sitting, gravity and pressure literally compress these vessels, slowing the flow and creating stagnant blood that's low in oxygen. It's like having rusty plumbing where the water pressure is weak. Second, there's the muscular problem. Your pelvic floor muscles control everything below the belt. The paradox for modern men is that these muscles are often tight and weak at the same time. They're constantly tensed due to stress, poor posture, and unconscious clenching, but they lack the endurance or strength for proper function. This chronic tension physically squeezes the major blood vessels and nerves running through your pelvic region, literally choking off the supply line. Third, there's the neurological problem. The pudendal nerve is the superhighway for sensation and the signal for firmness. When the pelvic floor muscles are chronically tight, they pinch, compress, or irritate this crucial nerve. The signal gets garbled, delayed, or weakened, resulting in dulled sensation and a delayed or incomplete physical response. The bottom line is this: your vitality isn't gone. It's trapped behind this mechanical bottleneck of stiff arteries, tight muscles, and compressed nerves. The spot we're about to target is the release valve for all 3 of these systems simultaneously. My approach to your health. My name is Dr. Ada James, And for over 10 years, my medical practice has been about finding foundational, holistic, and sustainable ways for men to maintain their complete health. I've had thousands of men tell me they don't feel like themselves anymore. They're tired of quick fixes that don't address the underlying problem. My philosophy is simple. You are not a broken machine. You are a magnificent system that needs proper, consistent maintenance. The decline you're fighting isn't a mystery. It's an anatomical issue that requires an anatomical solution. This massage technique is ancient wisdom, now validated by modern physiology. It's about empowering you to be in control of your own health journey. The 5 critical mistakes to avoid. Before showing you the exact technique, we need to address the 5 biggest mistakes men make. Avoiding these mistakes is the difference between quitting after 3 days and seeing life-changing results. Mistake 1 is using too much pressure. Men think more force equals better results. But this delicate area contains sensitive nerves and tissue. Aggressive pressure causes inflammation. The correct pressure should feel therapeutic and slightly tender, never painful. If you're sore the next day, you've gone too hard. Mistake 2 is attempting this without proper oil. The oil isn't just lubricant. It's an active therapeutic ingredient that carries powerful anti-inflammatory compounds deep beneath the surface. Dry massage creates excessive friction and prevents the deep tissue penetration necessary to address the root issues. Mistake 3 is inconsistency. Trying this for 3 or 4 days and quitting because you didn't see miraculous results is self-sabotage. You're trying to retrain decades of stagnation. The body responds to consistency. Expect initial improvements within 7 to 10 days. Expect significant measurable changes after 4 to 6 weeks of daily practice. Mistake 4 is poor positioning. If you're straining to reach the area, you're fighting against the very relaxation you're trying to create. I recommend either lying on your back with knees bent and feet flat, or sitting on the forward edge of a sturdy chair with feet flat and knees wide. Mistake 5 is only doing this right before intimate moments. When you link the massage only to performance, you add pressure and stress. This triggers your fight-or-flight response and shuts down blood flow. Instead, frame this as daily maintenance. Do it at a neutral time, after your shower or before bed. The complete protocol. The spot is called the perineum, located exactly halfway between the base of your scrotum and your tailbone. Gently probe the area and you'll find a point that's noticeably more tender than surrounding tissue. This tenderness indicates chronic tension. This is your target. Once you're in a comfortable position with warm oil ready, follow this sequence. First, apply about a teaspoon of warm oil to the area. Next, place your fingers on the spot and apply firm but comfortable pressure while taking a deep breath. Then begin small, slow circular movements for 30 seconds total, moving clockwise for 15 seconds, then counterclockwise for 15 seconds. After that, switch to a press and hold pattern for 20 seconds, applying firm pressure for a count of 5, then releasing for a count of 5, repeating 2 to 3 times. Finally, remove your fingers and take one final deep breath. For oil, I recommend castor oil for its deep tissue penetration, black seed oil for circulatory support, or a custom blend of castor and coconut oil with a few drops of rosemary or peppermint essential oil. To maximize results, stay hydrated, stretch your hip flexors after the massage, and visualize the area relaxing and fresh blood flowing in during the practice. The life-changing benefits. When you commit to this practice, the benefits extend far beyond what you expect. Men report dramatic improvement in urinary function, with annoying dribbling often disappearing and significant reduction in nighttime bathroom trips. The freedom from constantly worrying about these issues improves sleep quality and overall mood. Many experience freedom from chronic lower body pain. When the pelvic floor is chronically tight, it pulls on the lower spine and hip joints. I've had patients report that years-long lower back pain simply vanished. This return of physical freedom allows you to engage fully with life, your hobbies, and your loved ones. You'll also notice enhanced core power and stability. A healthy pelvic floor provides a stable foundation for all physical activity. You'll experience better stability, less fatigue, and improved athletic recovery. Your choice. Gentlemen, you stand at a crossroads. You can accept the myth that decline is inevitable and expensive pills are your only solution, Or you can choose proactive mastery. You can invest 1 focused minute a day on a proven technique that improves circulation, reduces deep tension, decompresses vital nerves, and supports your natural function from the inside out. The investment is trivial: a minute of time, a few dollars for good oil, and the willingness to try something different. The return is immense: restored function, better physical comfort, reduced anxiety, and the quiet confidence that comes from knowing you're taking meaningful action. Here's my challenge: try this for 30 days. Commit to the 1-minute routine with proper oil. Don't judge results on day 3. Judge them after day 30. Pay attention to the subtle shifts, the improved sleep, the sharper sensation, the reduced tension, and the quiet return of confidence. Your best years do not have to be behind you. With the right knowledge and simple, consistent practices, you can maintain and even improve your vitality well into your later years. Take command, gentlemen. You deserve the comfort, freedom, and confidence that comes with a body that functions at its peak.